Vipassana meditation, often referred to as the science of the mind, has a rich and fascinating history that spans millennia, tracing its roots back to ancient India. This meditative practice, rooted in deep introspection and the cultivation of mindfulness, serves as a profound tool for self-discovery, emotional balance, and mental clarity. It has evolved over the centuries, survived through tumultuous times, and found a significant resurgence in modern history, thanks to the pioneering efforts of S.N. Goenka. Understanding the journey of Vipassana is to embark on a story that intertwines ancient wisdom, historical upheavals, and contemporary relevance. Vipassana, meaning to see things as they really are, is a form of meditation that dates back to the teachings of Gautama Buddha around the 6th century BCE. It is said that the Buddha discovered and perfected this technique during his search for enlightenment. He found that the path to liberation lies not in external rituals or blind faith, but in the direct observation of one's body and mind. Through Vipassana, the Buddha emphasized the impermanent nature of reality, the interconnectedness of all things, and the potential to overcome suffering by eradicating cravings and aversions. During the Buddha's time, Vipassana was taught widely across the Indian subcontinent, creating a profound spiritual and philosophical transformation. The practice became integral to the Buddhist tradition, guiding countless individuals toward a life of mindfulness and equanimity. Monasteries became centers for learning, meditation, and the preservation of these teachings. However, as centuries passed, the practice of Vipassana began to fade in its land of origin. Political invasions, cultural shifts, and the decline of Buddhism in India led to the loss of this precious tradition. Fortunately, Vipassana did not disappear entirely. It found refuge in neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Burma, Thailand, and Tibet, where dedicated practitioners and monastic communities preserved it. Myanmar played a particularly crucial role in safeguarding the practice. Here, the technique was passed down through an unbroken chain of teachers, ensuring its survival for future generations. The story of Vipassana's revival is inseparable from the life of S.N. Goenka, a Burmese Indian teacher who dedicated his life to spreading this ancient practice worldwide. Born in 1924 in Mandalay, Myanmar, Goenka was a successful businessman who initially sought Vipassana meditation to relieve his severe migraines. Under the guidance of his teacher, Sayagyi U Ba Khin, a prominent Burmese meditation master, Goenka not only found relief from his physical ailment, but also underwent a profound personal transformation. Recognizing the transformative power of Vipassana, he decided to dedicate his life to sharing this technique. In the late 1960s, Goenka returned to India, determined to reintroduce Vipassana to the land of its origin. His approach was both revolutionary and traditional. While staying true to the original teachings, he presented Vipassana as a secular and scientific practice, accessible to people of all backgrounds, beliefs, and cultures. This emphasis on universality resonated deeply with modern audiences. Goenka established the first Vipassana center in Igatpuri, Maharashtra in 1976, which became a hub for learning and practice. Today, this center, along with hundreds of others worldwide, continues to offer free 10-day courses to anyone willing to explore the depths of their mind. One of the reasons Vipassana is often referred to as the science of the mind is its empirical and experiential nature. Unlike dogmatic practices, Vipassana encourages practitioners to observe reality as it is, without preconceived notions or beliefs. The technique systematically trains the mind to become aware of bodily sensations and their transient nature. By observing sensations without reacting to them, individuals learn to break the cycle of craving and aversion, which lies at the root of human suffering. This self-exploration, grounded in direct experience, aligns closely with the principles of scientific inquiry. The practice of Vipassana also highlights the intricate relationship between mind and body. Modern neuroscience has begun to explore and validate many of the insights that ancient practitioners discovered through meditation. Studies have shown that Vipassana can reduce stress, improve emotional regulation, and enhance overall well-being. It rewires the brain to respond more effectively to life's challenges, making it a practical tool for navigating the complexities of the modern world. Vipassana's role in preserving Buddhist teachings is significant. While the practice itself transcends religious boundaries, its roots in Buddhism are undeniable. By teaching Vipassana, S.N. Goenka and his centers have inadvertently kept alive the essence of the Buddha's teachings. Goenka often emphasized that Vipassana is not about converting people to Buddhism, but about enabling them to live a harmonious and ethical life. This perspective has made the practice appealing to a diverse global audience, from spiritual seekers to corporate executives. Today, Vipassana has gained worldwide recognition, with centers in over 90 countries and millions of practitioners. It has transcended cultural and religious barriers, becoming a tool for personal growth, community harmony, and even prison reform. Goenka's initiative to introduce Vipassana courses in prisons has had remarkable success in transforming the lives of inmates, helping them overcome anger, guilt, and despair. The practice continues to inspire countless individuals to lead more mindful and compassionate lives. If you find this journey of Vipassana fascinating and want to dive deeper into its transformative power, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to those seeking wisdom and insight. In essence, Vipassana is more than just a meditation technique. It is a way of life. It bridges ancient wisdom with contemporary needs, offering a pathway to inner peace in a world that often feels chaotic. The journey of Vipassana from ancient India to its global revival is a testament to the enduring relevance of self-awareness and mindfulness. It reminds us that the answers to life's deepest questions often lie within, waiting to be discovered through stillness and introspection. As we reflect on this profound tradition, we honor not only the Buddha's insights, but also the countless teachers and practitioners who preserved it through the ages. Vipassana is a gift, a legacy of ancient India that continues to illuminate the path for millions, reminding us that true liberation begins with understanding and mastering the mind.